Bet I'm everything you see. Bet I'm everything you need. We're high on this beat.
Hello, welcome to Healthy Life with Kimmi. Hey guys, I decided to take you on a walk with me. Today I'm at the park. Beautiful, 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 right? The trees are changing, the colors, the leaves. Let me show you. So I'm in Georgia, for those of you who do not know, and it's so beautiful. I love living here because I get all four seasons. It's not just all cold, it's not just all hot. Whew, I don't have to have the rain. But anyway, I wanted to go live, and not live. I was live on my other channel, my business channel. But I wanted to just give you some tips about walking really quick. You want to have the right walking shoes. Let me see, can I show you my shoes right quick? Hold on. These shoes have a nice sole, very nice sole. I have increased my walking. As you all know, I started walking in my backyard. I go to parks now way more often than I used to, and replacing some of that eating out experience with just going to different parks, because I'm trying to start cooking at home more. But I'm saying all that to say, this is a new experience when I go to different parks, just to look around. And shoes are so important. Your shoes. Your shoes are so important because these have a nice thick sole on them. The ones I have been walking in, I noticed my toes was rubbing. My baby toe look a hot mess, honestly. And I said, I got another pair. These are New Balance, what I'm wearing. They have a wide toe box. So sometimes as you get older, you know, our bodies just change, feet included. But get you a wide toe box shoe. That's gonna help you to be able to be out here on this hard surface. And then also a thick sole, because my other ones did not have a thick sole on them. Another tip I had when you're walking is don't try to do too much at one time. My first goal was to do like 15 minutes one direction, and when I go back 15 the other way, or your initial goal might be 10 minutes, and then you take it and do the reverse, you know, 10 minutes back. Let me show y'all the pond. Beautiful out here. You see that? So tranquil, so peaceful. I'm not alone. My husband is out here today, but I will come and walk out here. Come by myself. I like to walk in the parking lot. So start out small, okay? Start out small and have small goals. It is always somebody out here walking, but again, I don't like to walk by myself. And if I do come out here by myself, I walk in open spaces because your girl is scary. I'm from Detroit, but the times that we living in, I always know where you are and who's around you. So tip number 2 is pace yourself. Set a small goal. Might be 5 minutes, might be 15 minutes, just something to get started. My other tip is, I think we're on number 3. I'm not really keeping count, but drink a little water before you come out. Just a little bit, because if you have too much, then you're gonna have to use the bathroom. I don't like using bathrooms at the park. Not really. Isn't that beautiful and just tranquil? It's saying I'm at the half-mile mark. So far I've been walking 18 minutes. 18 minutes. Isn't that beautiful though? Just tranquil. You can just come out here and sit. Reader. Sometimes we're like, where can I go? What can I do? Because y'all know I'm all about the free activities. And check your area. Notice some parks. You don't know, the government spent a lot of money on parks. And do we actually take advantage of them? No. I'll go ahead and speak for you. When the last time you went to the park? The sun is kind of bright. Hold on. It'll clear up in a second. So, what was number 3? I forgot. Oh, drink a little water. Drink a little water, but not a lot, so you don't have to go to the restroom. I also was thinking it's a little cool today. So you want to also make sure that you layer down in your clothes. You know, have your hoodie. Have something. I'm going up a little incline. Layer in your clothes. So I have this on, and I have another long sleeve shirt, my work shirt, underneath this one. Hold on. Oh, I was trying to unzip my jacket. But anyway, I can show you my sleeve. So, I know y'all believe I got on 2 shirts. But I got on 2. That's the second one. It's long sleeve too. So layer down. Get you a hoodie in case it starts raining. Because I'm not letting the weather be a deterrent. The old me, I would say, it's cold out there. But not the new Kimmi. I don't care what it is. I'm getting out here. So today is a little cooler. And again, layer your clothes. It's tip number 4. Layer your clothes. All right. My next tip, number 5, is have something you like to listen to. I've said this before too. I have my YouTube that I listen to. I have my podcast that I listen to, and find different subjects. Like, I'm really working on learning how to say no. I'm really working on that. I've been talking about that. I'm going to set some goals for 2024 and measurable. And I'm not saying you tell everybody no every time, but I was talking about that earlier. And a lot of times on this channel, I talk about what causes you stress. And other people cause us stress. A lot of times, things that we're going through in our life. And tell me, can you relate? It ain't even your problem. It's somebody else's problem. And I was talking about this with my other group of people that I work with. And I was saying how a lot of times people procrastinate. They have tasks and homework and, you know, assignments or whatever it is that they supposed to do. Pay their bill, whatever. And they don't do it. They call you the last minute, and now it's 911. You knew you had to go to that appointment 3 weeks ago. You could have been making plans. And now you call me the day of, waking me up on my one day off. You know what I mean? And not that you won't help people. I'm not saying that. So don't say, "Ooh, Kimmi, that's mean." I'm talking about the people who can plan and do differently. I use an example with them. I'll use it here. It's not really an example. It's real life. My husband and I, when we used to travel, when my dad was alive, he loved driving me to the airport. He didn't travel a lot himself. So I think that was his way of, Jeffrey! He getting too far away from me. I'm slowing down because I'm talking. I don't like walking out here. Jeff! See, he can't even hear me if something happened. He got that far away. That's why I don't like walking out here. Look. Look. Nobody. I don't like this. I don't like it one bit. That's why I don't come by myself. And when I come by myself, I like to walk in the front, like I said earlier. So in the future, with him, I think I'll just stay out there on the main path because his legs are longer and he walk faster. And we have different goals. I'm just trying to walk. He's taller, bigger, everything. So I'll be walking by myself in the future, closer to the front. Because right now I feel so isolated and so alone out here. But let's get back to topic. So, like I was saying, so people know they got stuff to do in their life and they wait till the last minute and call you. But like I was saying with my dad, so he enjoyed driving me to the airport. Whew, sorry, I'm getting my workout. He enjoyed driving me to the airport, me and my husband. But it reached a point when he just got older. And I was like, I don't want to bother him. You know, he would still try to do it. But I'm like, no, that's too much. And then Jeff's father would love to take us too. Now, he ain't love to take us as much as my dad, but he would do it. Just being nice. So, actually, we started saying, you know what, they both getting up there in age, older. We could drive ourselves. So what we started doing was parking at the airport. You know, because it was an hour each way. Then they're older, fighting traffic, airport, you know, gotta wait to get picked up. So it's a lot of pressure for them. So we started parking at the airport, like $6 per day. That's a tip for you, travel tip. If you didn't know, you could park at the airport for like $6 per day. Or $8, you could park at a hotel and they'll shuttle you over to the airport. So I can see Jeffrey again. But I'm not doing this no more. Cause I get paranoid every time I see a man. I shouldn't, but I do. It's just too much going on. So, okay. Hello. Yeah, it's just too much going on, guys. I'm paranoid sometimes, and I'm so used to my mom. You know, I said that in other videos. She was always with me. I'm still learning how to navigate this world by myself. And I say by myself because people say, well, where your husband at? He's here. But so many of my friends have lost their mates due to death, divorce. I don't want to just be so comfortable where I can't make a move without him. Let me show y'all these flowers. Hold on. Aren't they beautiful? Now somebody might call them a weed, but they're beautiful. So he's still far up there. You can't even see him. And I'm not feeling that. I'll say. So anyway, I just wanted to share these tips with you though that may help you to increase your walking. Even though it's getting colder, or it may be already super cold where you are, layer down, get the right shoes, have something to listen to, set a reasonable, measurable goal, and keep it simple, okay? Well, to make sure you don't miss when I go live. Jeffrey! Jeff! See, he's so far he can't even hear me. I'm pissed. I am so pissed. I can see him way over there. If something happened to me right now, he wouldn't even know it. Alright guys, I didn't mean to vent with y'all, but this is real life. So anyway, until next time guys, this is Healthy Life with Kimmi. For free emails to know when I go live and tips and stuff, sign up at healthylifewithkimmi.com. Okay, bye. Hope you're doing well out there.